Packing for travel can be a mind fork. You don't want to be lugging around a bunch of stuff that you don't need, but you also don't want to get caught without the essential items you'll need to have a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable trip. When it comes to packing, I have 4 major questions that pretty much dictate all my decisions. What's the weather? What are my activities? What vibe am I going for? And how long even is this trip? Among all my clothes, there's consistently one fabric that never fails me, no matter what my trip looks like, and that is merino wool. In this video, I've partnered with Unbound Merino, a clothing brand that specializes in some of the most durable, high-quality merino clothes I've ever tried. I'm going to share the reasons I love merino wool as a travel fabric, its properties, or more like magic powers, and share details on how you can win a $250 gift card from Unbound Merino. First, how is merino wool different from other types of wool? Well, merino wool comes from the merino sheep, renowned for its fine and soft wool fibers. These sheep are primarily found in countries like New Zealand and Australia, where they've adapted to diverse climates over centuries, properties that are then passed along into the fibers of our clothing. Temperature regulating. Merino wool has a natural temperature regulating quality. It keeps you warm in cold weather and cool in hot weather, making it perfect for unpredictable transitional seasons. If you're traveling, no matter the season, you can be subject to a range of temperatures. Even in the summer, you can be so hot outside and then you walk inside into ice cold air conditioning. Or traveling from a warm place to a cold place, or vice versa, with a chilly plane ride in between. Having fabric that regulates your body temperature and works with you to protect you from your environment sounds high tech, but can be achieved with all natural merino wool. Moisture management. Merino wool can absorb and release moisture vapor, allowing it to wick away sweat from your skin, keeping you dry and comfortable during your adventures, or board meetings, or whatever's making you sweat. If you've gone hiking or cross-country skiing, or heck, just on a timed sightseeing visit to a crowded museum in the summer, you know that once you stop moving, any sweat on your skin is gonna make you feel cold and sticky. Merino wool does much better than cotton in this regard because it dries so quick and works to absorb the sweat off you and releases it, so you're not perpetually damp. Plus, unlike cotton, when merino wool is wet, it doesn't lose its heating properties, so you're still being kept warm as it dries. Odor resistance. Merino wool is naturally odor resistant. Its fibers neutralize odor-causing bacteria, so you can wear it for longer periods without worrying about being that stinky person on the plane. This is great if you're on a long stretch without access to a washing machine, and is also better for the environment, especially when visiting places experiencing drought. And when you do get to wash your clothes by hand or by machine, hang them to dry and your garments will dry so quick. Wrinkle resistance. With proper care, merino can be wrinkle and crease resistant, so you can pack it in your suitcase without the need for excessive ironing or steaming. It's a super versatile fabric to wear for business or pleasure trips. It's both boardroom appropriate and ready for backcountry hiking, which means you can pack for a range of activities with more or less the same pieces. Lightweight and breathable. Merino wool garments are incredibly lightweight and breathable, making them easy to layer and ideal for travel. You no longer need to have more bulk for more warmth. You can layer as you need and everything packs super thin in your suitcase. I have socks, underwear, bras, tees, tanks, sweaters, leggings, even shoes made from merino wool. Unbound Merino has clothes for men and women in a range of pieces to add to your travel wardrobe. Some thinner merino brands can be more delicate and susceptible to wear and tear, but I've had this shirt for 3 years and these pants for a few months, and they look brand new. My husband also has a shirt from Unbound Merino that he's had for 3 years, and he's notoriously tough on his clothes, and it looks great. These pants are called the lightweight travel pant. They're indeed light, have pockets, hit just where I want them on my 5'6" frame, and dry so fast when I wash them. The waistband is easy and comfortable, but they don't feel like pajamas like some elasticated pants can feel. They feel substantial but cozy, and I'm so excited to wear them on my next flight. To enter to win a $250 gift card to Unbound Merino, subscribe to the Capsule Suitcase on YouTube and leave a comment below sharing where your next trip is. This contest is open to anyone living where Unbound Merino ships. Contest closes September 30th, and winner will be announced October 1st. I'll be replying to your comments to announce the winner, so make sure you check your notifications. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!